to see how to get started on Cleantickpanel.com. So we just head over to our website and search for Cleantickpanel.com. Just a minute as it loads. So you're just going to search for Cleantickpanel.com. Cleantickpanel.com. We are initially store, so now we are on .com. So when you reach here, so you're going to see the interface of the website. This is how it looks like. Just click on continue. The upgrade was completed. So here you can click on, you can also install our app if you want to use the mobile app. It's less than 1 MB, so you can still install it. So I've installed the app. As it runs, I'm going to continue with the website also. So I click on create a free account, or you just click on this drop down menu here, then sign up. So when you come here, you sign up, you register your name. I just register my name as Handbeach254. Then I enter my email. Then my WhatsApp number, I enter it there. Then password, you enter your password. I'll just go ahead and enter any password, random one. Then I click on agree terms. Then I click on sign up. You can also click on continue with Google if you want to be fast. So when you reach at this particular place, you can see you will be taken here. So at the bottom you can click support, account details, and so on. So here you click on new order here. Then you can check your orders and place a new order. Let me add some funds. I click on add funds. Because I'm in Kenya, I'll use M-Pesa. I just enter here amount I want to pay and the number. Then here I click here to pay. If I'm in Nigeria, I'll click this method here. Then I pay via Kora Pay or pay using USDT, Binance. All of them are working perfectly. So I'll go ahead and use M-Pesa. I want to pay 20 Kenyan shillings. Then I click there and I place my number. 1340 6694. I click M-Pesa prompt. I receive an M-Pesa prompt to enter my PIN, and immediately I enter, the amount will be paid. Just like that. And you wait until the system credits your account. You see, when I click on the 3 dots, I've been credited 20 shillings. So if I'm in Kenya, I'll continue with Kenyan shillings. If I'm in Nigeria, I can change the price, the currency, by clicking on this Kenyan shilling here. I can come back to new order. Then I click here, the 3 dots, and I click here to change in currency. Then you can see more things here. So still on new order, I'll place a new order here. So I want Facebook page. We click on category to select the service you want. If it's Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. So I use category Facebook. Then here I'll go ahead to my Facebook post. If I want to promote my Facebook account, I just go to Facebook. Go to Facebook. Then I select any of my posts. Let me use this one here. Then I copy link. I come here. I paste the link. Then quantity. Maybe I want 100 likes. then you click submit. When you click submit, the order will be submitted to the servers and it will be delivered. So it's advisable to use this one. It's very fast, but you can also choose in between the services to know which one is the best for you. Yeah, so if you want to promote any other service like followers, you just click on category here and you select which category you want. If you want followers, you click on followers, then you select the service according to the price you want to use. You see, there is a service for Facebook followers which is only 39 shillings for 1000 followers. So hidden data, you can also use that one and place an order. The link, you place the profile link for Facebook. The same if you want Instagram services, you click category, you scroll and you check for Instagram. You have followers, then you have Instagram likes, then you come here on the services, you click on the likes type you want. Then when you select the type, it will automatically here, so here you'll place the link for the video link you want to promote the likes for, and so on. Also, you can earn using this platform. We have the affiliate tab here. When you click on the affiliate, you can click and copy your affiliate link, and when people register and use this platform, you're going to earn. And so many more things here. You can submit a ticket if you have an issue. If it's an order or payment, you can submit your ticket. Hello, delay. Then when you submit the ticket, it's going to be reached to the admin and they'll sincerely help you out. So there are many more things. If you want to resell the IP address, here you can also copy it and use it to resell our services. Thank you for your time, and in case of any questions, always ask from the admin and you'll be helped.